Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 12 June 2018, 14 of hour, 31 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you fix your TV when it says no signal? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you fix your TV when it says no signal. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do you fix your TV when it says no signal. If the source is correct from step 2, unplug the HDMI cable from your Bell MTS5 TV set-top box. Wait 30 seconds. Plug the HDMI cable back in. Wait for the signal to initialize. Make sure all cables connected on the set-top box and your TV are secure. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.